Hello grade 6, it's my hope that you are doing okay and progressing with the daily routines at home. On my side, I'm just doing great and I thank God for that. I'm here ready to take you through science and technology, and the topic that we are going to discuss today is about machines. What is machine? A machine is any device that simplifies work. Any device which simplifies work is referred to as a machine. If you take a look to that definition that I've made here, you will find there are some terminology there. The first terminology is a device, and the second one, simplified. A device means a tool or an equipment that is used when doing work. But also, simplifying means applying less energy by also using less time when you're doing things. So, if you know there are some things that you use to apply less energy and use less time when you're doing things, those are called machines. But also, guys, you need to know the types of machines. And basically, there are two types of machines. The first type of machine is what is called simple machines. And the second type of machines is what is called complex machines. What is a simple machine? Simple machines are the type of machines which do not need high skills in using them. That means you need only a little or a low knowledge to use them. And there are so many types of simple machines. There are only 6 types of simple machines. And the first one is a lever. That is a simple machine. The other one is the pulley. The other one is inclined plane and sometimes called slope. The other type of simple machine is wedge. The other type of simple machine is wheel and axle, as well as screw. So here I've tried to come up with some types of simple machine. Let me start with the wedge. This surface here that we see on the knife is a good example of a wedge. And a wedge can be used in doing so many things, just like cutting things apart. So another type of simple machine that I've brought it today is a screw. A screw. This is a screw. A screw also is another type of a simple machine. A screw is used to fix two things together. Another type of machine that I've brought it here is a wheel and axle. And this is a wheel and axle. There is an example of a wheel and axle. A wheel and axle is the combination of the axle which passes here to the center, and this is a wheel, this is an axle. So if you put them together, it makes a simple machine which is called wheel and axle. This is used in doing physical exercise. Another thing that I've brought here is a scissor. A scissor is a good example of a lever because it has got 3 parts. If you take a look to the lever, a lever has got load, fulcrum. This fulcrum is sometimes called pivot. And the other part of the lever is called effort. So those are 3 parts of the lever. If you find any machine comprises of 3 parts, that is a good example for a lever. If it has the load, if it has the fulcrum or pivot, and if it has the effort, that is a good example of a lever. A load is the force which exerts on a certain surface or a certain body. A fulcrum is the turning point of the lever. Here is the place where it balances the effort and the load. And the effort is the force which is applied against the load. Those are three parts of a lever. And there are so many examples of levers machine. The first one is just like a human arm. A human arm has got three parts. It has the load, it has the effort, but also it has the pivot. Another thing is the human arm, the human foot. The human foot also has got three parts, as I've mentioned them before. A pair of scissors, a seesaw, fishing rod, and etc. Those are examples of simple machines. Allow me to approach the second type of machine, which is complex machine. Complex machine is any machine that comprises of more than one simple machine. If you find any devices that has got more than one simple machine, that thing is said to be a complex machine. Example of complex machine is just like a door lock. A door lock has the combination of the wedge and the screw. If you take a look to the door lock, which is here, you will find that there is a screw. As I said before, a screw is used to join or to fix two things together. That means this thing is attached here by a screw. But also, if you take a look here, there is a wedge, this one and this one. So you find that the door lock has got more than one simple machine. So a door lock is a complex machine. Not only that, but also there are so many other complex machines. Just like a bicycle. If you take a look to the bicycle, you will find that there are more than one simple machine there. A sewing machine, the watch, and the other things. Those are examples of complex machine. Because I'm running shortage of time, guys, let me give you the assignment, but you will find it in the school website. So make sure that you visit the website for downloading the assignment. Do it carefully and submit it back to school for evaluation. Have a nice day. Bye.